Alright, good afternoon, YouTube. Tuesday afternoon, probably just now noon. Been dealing with a few customers this morning and had a couple things going on up the house, wanted to get taken care of, and finally made my way back down here. So, the little log we did for the old lady the other day, she says that's going to be too heavy. She wants to be able to move it around, so she's going to use pine, so I'll just stick those over in the building. That's why I haven't done nothing with them. But I'm going to get these couple of trims done up, and then I'm going to saw that church log up for you, that really ugly one. Alright, got the trims taken care of. I'm going to attempt to I got them all stuck everywhere I could in case this doesn't go for me too well. I don't have the forks on right now because I still need to move some more wood chips, and I've been clearing back there a little bit, pushing and making a big shit pile over there. So, but anyway, so I guess if it screws up, might as well have it on camera. So, all right, here we go. That's a big piece. Wow, so that really turned out some nice mantles, and I'm glad I ended up doing that with them last minute. I was gonna make one by material, and then I said, you know what, you've been getting calls of mantles lately. You might as well just make a few, so you have a few more. I mean, they've really been working that pile over there. I had quite a few over there. I just was looking. It's not very many there anymore. Everybody keeps calling on that big live edge one, and when they get here, they realize, wow, that thing's heavy. A guy came here yesterday, and he was gonna make that a floating shelf, and I'm thinking, wow, man, how are you gonna do that? I don't want to say nothing, but so I ended up showing him that 2 1/4 by 12 1/4 that we made Friday. And he ended up buying that. So, and that ended up being clear, which he preferred that better, it being that it had, no knots in it. All right, everyone, I guess I'm gonna work my way up to the house. It's about that time. Thanks for watching. Till next time.